Come on.
I'll do it, D, if you do it.
Yeah, you got to do it first though.
Come on, D. No, we gotta do it at the same time.
Nah, you had that. I'm already losing time.
Come on, let's do it. Fuck.
It's pretty sturdy, bro.
He's doing it.
Actually, that's not doing it. That's just.
It's pretty good. It's sturdy. It was a big ass
That
thing.
bitch kicked it.
I just broke this motherfucker in like 6 different places.
Dude, just sit on it, dude.
Make sure you poke that piece of plastic back on it.
No shit, you go up your ass.
Come on, sit on it. Ow. I just put the shit on it.
Dude, sit on it.
Come on.
Come on, Wes.
2.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I'll pick it up
1,
and just let him-
go. Dude, you ain't gonna kill yourself, you dumbass. Yeah, you gonna kill yourself.
Pussy.
See, you doing it, bitch.
Pussy.
That's not the West on you.
You heard what I said, pussy?
Yeah.
Come on, pussy.
What'd you say?
Come on, pussy.
That's not the West I used to know.
Yes, you're right.
That's the only Wes I know, but y'all know them longer.
God damn it.
No, you already broke
Nah,
that one.
yeah, you already broke that one.
You already broke that one. Wes.
What does it matter?
Breaking the new one.
Nah, don't. Go.